InVideo AI, the ultimate AI videotape creator for royal content creation. In moments presto-paced digital world, videotape content is king. Whether for social media, marketing, education, or lyre, vids capture attention like no other medium. But creating high-quality vids can be time-consuming, precious, and technically grueling until now. InVideo AI is then to revise how we produce vids. This AI-powered tool turns your ideas into professional-grade vids in twinkles, barring the need for complex software or precious product brigades. Key features of InVideo AI Number 1. Text-to-video AI Number 2, AI Movie Maker. Number 3, Customization Tools. 4, Massive Media Library. 5, AI Voice Cloning. 6, Platform Optimization. How to use InVideo AI in 4 simple steps. 1. Enter your idea. Type a prompt, e.g., make a 30-second workout promo for Instagram. 2. Customize settings. Set video length, platform, voice accent, and style. 3. Edit with AI commands. Add upbeat background music. Swap the third scene with a beach clip. Change the voiceover to British English. 4. Export and share. Download your video or publish directly to social media. InVideo AI pricing. Plans for every budget. InVideo AI offers flexible plans. Plan price, monthly. Key features free. $0, 10 mins week AI generation. 4 exports with Watermark Plus, $28 50 mins month. 80 iStock assets. 2 voice clones, max $48 $200 mins month. 320 iStock assets. 5 voice clones. Generative $96 priority AI generation. 15-minute custom clips. Yearly plans save 20%. Pros and cons of InVideo AI Pros. Saves time and money versus traditional editing. No technical skills needed. High-quality outputs with customization. Voice cloning adds uniqueness. Cons. Free plan includes watermarks. Advanced features require higher-tier plans. Whether you're a solo creator or a business, InVideo AI democratizes video creation, making it accessible, affordable, and fun. Ready to try it? Start with the free plan today and turn your ideas into videos that shine.